In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills with a check in Xero. If you're managing your business finances through Xero, you'll find it quite convenient to handle bill payments right within the software. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account, navigate to the Xero login page and click on the login button, enter your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll again click login to access your dashboard. Once you reach your dashboard, it's time to get down to business. Click on business in the menu. This will lead you to various financial options available to you. From here, choose bills to pay. You'll find this under the business tab and it's where you'll manage outstanding bills. Next, you'll want to view the bills that are awaiting payment. Click on the option labeled awaiting payment. This will give you a list of all the bills currently due. Scroll through this list and select the bill you wish to pay. By clicking on it, you'll be able to view all the details associated with this specific bill. Once you've selected a bill, it's time to make a payment. Click on the Make Payment option. For the payment method, select the check option because that's what we are focusing on today. After selecting the payment method, go ahead and click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now you need to select the bank account from which the check will be drawn. Pick the relevant bank account linked within Xero, ensuring it's the correct one for the payment you're processing. You will also need to add a check number at this point, which is crucial for keeping your records in order. Once you've selected the bank account and entered the check numbering, click OK to confirm these details. Before finalizing, double check all the details. Make sure the Pay To section, address, date and amount are entered correctly to avoid any issues with the payment process. Xero also gives you the option to export the check, which is particularly useful if you need to maintain comprehensive paper records or share the check details externally. Consider this if it fits your current bookkeeping needs. Finally, you have a couple of options. You can click to save and print if you're ready to print the check right away, or simply click to save if you want to keep the record in Xero for now and print later. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to pay your bills with a check using Xero. It's a straightforward process that helps streamline managing your finances. Remember, keeping accurate and timely payments is key to maintaining good relationships with your vendors. Thanks for watching and happy accounting with Xero.